1 Minute French, Lesson 3. Bonjour, and welcome again to 1 Minute French, where you can learn French 1 minute at a time with me, Pierre Benoit. We're going to be talking language today. You'll learn how to say that you speak a little French. My guess is that everyone you speak to will appreciate your attempts to speak in French. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The word for French in French is français. Let's repeat that. Français. Now, it's important that you know this word well for this lesson because we'll be using it quite a bit. Try saying it again. Français. To say that you speak French, you say Je parle français. Listen again. Je parle français. One more time. Je parle français. We're going to add to this. Perhaps it's safer to say I speak a little French. The phrase for a little in French is un peu. So, putting this together with I speak French, to say that you speak a little French, you would say Je parle un peu français. Listen to this again. It's quite tricky. Je parle un peu français. Excellent. Try it one more time. Je parle un peu français. Time's up, but I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned today will go down well with any French-speaking friends or business colleagues you meet. Today, we learned a little, un peu. You can find out lots more on 1minutelanguages.com. That's all for today. Merci et au revoir.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.